Hello, today we are going to make Afghani chicken. For that I have taken one bowl. In that I am adding half teaspoon of pepper powder and I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Here I am using the paste. Okay. With this I am adding the salt as per the taste and half lime. With this I am just adding the crushed green chilies. With this I have added some jeera and I crushed the green chili and jeera. So I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of green chili, crushed green chili. Then I am just adding 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil. Don't use coconut oil. You can use refined oil or olive oil or corn oil. So here I am using the corn oil and I will just mix it very well. After this I will just add curd. So here I have taken 5 teaspoon of curd. With this I will add 4 teaspoon of cream, cooking cream. At this point you can use the cashew nut paste also, but I am not using it. So I will just mix it very well, the all paste and the curd and the cooking cream, everything. I will just mix it up well. I will just taste it. So I think a little bit salt is more required, so I am just adding some more salt in it. Now I will just give a mix, and I have taken here boneless chicken. So I have cut it in a small pieces. So I will just put it in this marination and I will just mix it well. After mixing it well, I will keep this chicken marinated in the fridge, not in the freezer. Okay, and I will keep it for overnight. See, I kept it for overnight. Now I will do the next process. So I have taken one kadai here and I have just poured all the gravy and marination together to the kadai, and I will just cook the chicken. So for cooking the chicken I will just add the water in it. So now I will just give a mix and I will close the lid and let it allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now our chicken is ready. Chicken is cooked. So I will just check it is fully cooked or not. Okay, so and now I will just take out the chicken pieces from the gravy. Like this I will take all the chicken pieces in it. Now I have taken all the chicken pieces. Now what I have to do, I have to make the gravy thicken. So I will just cook it for I think 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. So for speeding up the thickener to get it thick, I'm just adding a 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Okay, and I will just mix the corn flour into the gravy and allow it to boil for 5 to 7 minutes so that gravy get thick. In the Afghani chicken, we requires the gravy very thickened, not very loose. See, our gravy is almost done, and now it is thick as much as we require. So once it get cooled down, then it will get more thick. Now I am just taking a pan. I have put 2 teaspoon of oil in it. Okay, once oil is hot, then I will just add the chicken pieces, which I cooked it in the marination gravy. So I will just get a little bit fry, and with the brush I'm just putting the gravy into the chicken pieces so that the crispiness will come. See, they just need to be just get a little bit brown. That is enough. Okay. Once this is done from the every side of the chicken pieces, okay, this is done. So it is fried. Now what I will do, I will put the gravy in it which I made. Okay, and cook for 1 or 2 minutes and just switch off the gas. Here our chicken Afghani is getting ready, almost done. So this is our chicken Afghani is ready now. You can try this recipe, and please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon.